Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record screen on your Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. To start a screen recording, you're gonna have to press the combination of three different keys. So it will be Ctrl key, left shift key, and this desk function key. After that, after you press this combination, you'll open up the toolbar, the screen recording or screen capturing toolbar. Here you're going to have to select this side camera icon and then select one of the three available recording modes. So you can either record the entire screen of your laptop, you can select this option and then use the crosshair to make a selection of some area on your screen and then start a video recording, or you can start recording a single window of your laptop. In settings, you can also choose the audio output, where you can select device audio, microphone, or both. Now you can also enable your camera while recording a video so that you can see you can record your face while recording your screen, and also you can change the downloads folder. And you can also choose whether you want to record video or GIF image by clicking this down arrow icon next to record video option. Now if you click record video and wait for 3 seconds, the video capturing will start, and now to stop it you're gonna have to click this square icon at the bottom, and then you'll be able to find your video recording in My Files, Downloads, and here we have it. The default format of video recording is webm file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.